You go into Google and you type in the best way to clean my stainless steel sink, and you watch the videos, you do that, and then you realize that your sink still has a ton of watermarks in it. It still looks dingy and grimy. One product for you that's gonna fix all of that, and your sink will look new for about 7 days. First, you wanna remove the grime from your sink, so grab yourself some cleaning gloves, any sponge of your choice, it doesn't really matter, your favorite cleaning product. I like Cif because it's more all natural, but you could also use Dawn Power Wash, that works great. Give your sink a nice good scrub, rinse it off, and I highly recommend that you dry out your sink because when it's wet it kind of already looks shiny and you don't really realize what's happening. And you quickly realize in about 30 seconds your sink is still looking dingy, grimy, and full of water spots. This is where Sheila Shine comes in. Spray just a little bit on your paper towel and go to town in your stainless steel sink. Watch the magic unfold right before you as those water spots start to disappear like magic. Make sure that you're following along on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning for all the best tips, tricks, and Amazon finds. Not only will your sink look shinier for longer, the Sheila Shine is also going to help it repel future water spots. You can see from the before and after photos what a difference this single product has made. So yes, you can clean your sink, but those water spots are going to still come back until you've met Sheila Shine. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way, and no one's paying me to say any of this. This is just a lot of trial and error after having 4 children and a lot of stuff happening in this sink and frustration. Anything I talked about here today will be linked in that description box below for easy access. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it out with a friend and click this video on screen now to keep the fun going. See you in the next one.